My son was in kindergarten, and Kidpower came to our school and did a couple of classes in their classroom, and he really enjoyed the classes, told me all about it, and then he brought home this book and was really interested in reviewing the book with us at nighttime. It really addressed some big issues that come up for kids that they don't know are going to be issues, said in such simple, clear language without making it scary that I wouldn't think to say. So around the time that he took the Kidpower class, he was walking his new puppy, and Theo ended up running ahead of my husband, and the neighbor stopped him. "What a cute dog!" And of course, he's a cute dog, so they started having a conversation. But then the neighbor kind of got a little weird and started to be saying things to him like, "Oh, you should bring your dog to my house. My dog is so lonely. My dog needs a friend. Our dogs should play together. You should come over and bring your dog to my house to play, because my dog is so lonely." And that kind of caught him off guard, and he continued walking and told my husband and said, like, "That's strange behavior. I think that was strange behavior, Dad." So they talked about it for the rest of the way home, and as soon as he got home, to my surprise, he went right for the Kidpower book and looked it up. Like, he tried to find the strange behavior from a neighbor or a known person right in the book. So I thought that was cool that he had that as a reference, just right there, given to him. He knew to look there. And then my husband, at the same time, looked up the address where that had happened, and sure enough, it was a registered sex offender's address. So we felt surprised and also good knowing that he was able to recognize that behavior before anything could really happen. After seeing this and him having these tools, he was so much more empowered to do the right thing when I wasn't there. I think I just feel really lucky that he got to experience the program, and if more kids had that, I think we'll see a lot more success stories. And we have undervalued the intuition of children, where Kidpower really gives that a voice. And I think all kids should have that voice.